SEO can be overwhelming. Most tools give you endless lists of issues without telling you what actually matters. SiteGuru is different. We combine deep website analysis with keyword and performance data to show you exactly what to do to get more traffic from Google and AI-powered search tools. And you don't need to be an SEO expert to use it. Here's how SiteGuru helps you win. With search topics, by showing you your site's performance, your main competitors, how to outperform them, and we give you actionable steps to get more traffic. We even generate a complete content brief you can share with a writer or AI tool, so creating relevant content is fast and simple. Focus keywords give you a clear, prioritized to-do list to improve rankings for your most important pages, with daily progress tracking. Our technical analysis guides you step-by-step through the issues that block rankings from indexation and sitemaps to international SEO and page speed. The content check helps you optimize titles, meta descriptions, and headings using AI to measure relevance and suggest improvements. With search analytics, you see what's ranking, what's declining, how updates affect your site, and where quick wins exist. We turn your Google Analytics and Search Console data into clear, easy-to-read reports, so you instantly understand how your site is performing. We then monitor your backlinks, highlight new and lost links, and surface opportunities that actually strengthen your authority. Next, we analyze your internal linking structure and provide specific suggestions to improve crawlability and page relevance. And with our AI visibility report, you can see how well your site is positioned for AI-driven search and discovery. And for agencies, SiteGuru offers unlimited users, white label reports, and automated reporting. SiteGuru has been voted the easiest to use SEO tool by G2 and Capterra.